Okay, so to start, I had this lid from a cake container that I saved, and I was using it as a bowl, but as you can see, I got it stained with turmeric, so I tried to wash it and it didn't come off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint this silver, but first I'm going to cut it right down the middle in half because I want 2 of these. Okay, now I have it cut in half in 2 pieces, but there's some label still on here, so I'm going to have to go back with either Goo Gone or lemon essential oil to remove that, and then wash it off with soap and water and dry it before I spray paint. Put only 1 coat for now and we'll let it dry. Take the same foil paper and cut it out 4 squares by 4 squares of the big squares. And then once you have it cut out, you want to trim the corners off to make it rounded edge. And then you just want to place that, smooth it out to get the bubbles, the air bubbles out from underneath. Okay, so once you have all your Mod Podge on, you just want to sprinkle the sand and the glitter all over where the Mod Podge was applied. Now you want to just do the same thing on the bottom. Put your Mod Podge in between your foil mirror paper so that you can sprinkle the sand and the glitter in between. Now whenever this is all dry and you have as many coats on as you want, you can take and put this Mod Podge gloss spray over top of it, and it'll hold the glitter on really well and make it shine better. Okay, next you want to begin the process of removing the blue shield. Okay, so now that you have all the blue removed, you can see the mirror look underneath. Okay, so next I'm taking this bling wrap. You can get this from the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree or Amazon or any craft store. This one is not self-adhesive. I kind of wish it was, but I'm going to be gluing this on here. I just set it on here for now to show you. You want to go cut it into strips of 3 and strips of 2 and alternate your way around. So now that I've applied the bling wrap and the lengthwise on here, I'm going to go ahead and go horizontal and put it on top and below on each foil square. Okay, so what I've done is I put the light in there, and then I hung it up on the wall. I just secured it with some molly anchors on the bottom there, so that you could still remove the top if you wanted to get in there to change the batteries on the light. And now I also added some teardrop jewels. I got these from Hobby Lobby in the bridal section, and I ran the jewels through this wire that has a flower on the end, and then I just draped it over, and you can put it anywhere you want, or you can use your own, whatever jewels you want to put on your own, but this is what I chose because that's what I had on hand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a light in the top, and then I'm going to add some greenery to make it like a vase, in addition to the fact that it's a light up wall sconce. Okay, so now I put a light in the top, and as you can see, the bottom changes color and so does the top, and they don't always change the same color, which is kind of neat. It just keeps alternating on its own. Now, I didn't even know when I bought these lights from Amazon that they were colored. I thought they were all white, so I was pleasantly surprised to see that they automatically change color. But you can also set them, as the remote here shows, you can set different time lengths, and you can set whatever color you want it to be. So it's really neat with this remote because you can do whatever you want with it, really. Okay, so I'm going to move on to putting the greenery inside. Okay, so now I have the plant added and the option of the light in the top and the bottom, and the light actually shines up through the plant, as you can see, so that's kind of neat and different. Or you can just not have any lights at all if you prefer no lights in it. So I wanted to show the option with just the top lit up, like before when there was just the bottom, but this time with the plants added. And you could see that the lights come up through the plants a little bit, giving it a nice effect. I'll have the links below to the supplies and where I got them in the description box. And if you want to see upcoming videos, you could hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and it will alert you to those videos. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.